Insight is just a stone's throw away with Insight Stones. Insight Stones allows you to gain a deeper understanding of yourself, others, and situations. 7 vibrant gemstones are your guide as you ask the question. Toss the stones. See what's revealed upon the mystical 7-pointed star. The vibrational wisdom of trees, planets, colors, and seasons show the way. The guidebook helps you interpret the stones and leads you to the relevant answer to your question. Insight Stones connect to your intuitive ability to bring you answers that may have been overlooked. Insight Stones can help your friends discover what's happening in their lives. It's fun to help each other interpret the messages that come through the stones. Insight Stones has uncovered hidden knowledge for you. Tap into ancient wisdom. Get your copy of Insight Stones today.